If you're thinking a tablet can't seriously improve your workflow, the Tecno Megapad Pro might make you reconsider, but not without a few trade-offs. After using it extensively for daily tasks, multitasking, and content work, the standout feature is its dual-screen connectivity. You can connect it wirelessly, via QR code or through a wired setup, and the process is surprisingly smooth once configured. Cross-screen drag and drop works reliably for moving photos, documents, and notes between devices, while reverse gestures feel intuitive after a short adjustment period. Pad-side signing is especially useful for approving documents on the go, making remote work feel more efficient. Performance during multitasking is generally stable, allowing multiple apps to run side by side without noticeable slowdowns, though heavy workloads can introduce slight delays. The display is large and comfortable for extended use, but brightness and color depth may not fully satisfy users expecting premium-level visuals. Battery life holds up through a full workday of moderate productivity tasks, yet intensive wireless syncing can drain power faster than expected. Build quality feels solid in hand, though the design leans more toward practical than premium aesthetics. The software features clearly aim to enhance productivity and mobility, and in real-world use they do improve workflow convenience. However, occasional connectivity hiccups and a learning curve for advanced features may require patience. Overall, the Tecno Megapad Pro delivers a functional multitasking experience that can genuinely support mobile productivity, even if it stops short of replacing a full laptop setup.